Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix your PC does not meet security requirements for Call of Duty and of BIOS firmware update required. So if you are going through this kind of error, no need to worry, just follow the methods discussed in this video. So what you have to do is, first you have to press Windows plus R and have to type msinfo 32. Press enter, and after that here you have to check your BIOS firmware. So here you can see BIOS mode, it's UEFI. Also check BIOS version or date and mention this. You have to remember it. Also check baseboard version and all of these. And after that, what you have to do is you have to open the you have to go to the support page of Modern Warfare. So I have already provided this link in the description. Just go through it, and you have to click on the PC. And here it is mentioned that you have to check the system requirements first to play the Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4. So just click on it and you will get the system requirements. Here it is mentioned minimum as well as recommended. Specifications are mentioned over here, so you have to make sure that PC have all the required specs to play the game hassle free. Okay, apart from this, you are also suggested that TPM 2.0 and secure boot are required to play Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4. This is important, otherwise you are getting that kind of error. So, and other security measures may be enforced. You have to click over here. It's a clickable, so simply click on it, and here you can see BIOS firmware update, and you have to run the latest Call of Duty Secure Attention Wizard. Both TPM 2.0 and Secure Boot are required to play the game. Players who do not meet the requirements will be restricted from playing any online game mode. So you have to remember all this. You simply have to click over here, and now you can see this is the Call of Duty Secure Attestation Wizard. You have to download it, and you can further check whatever it is required to play the game. So you can easily check TPM 2.0 is enabled on your PC or not. So you have to press Windows plus R and have to type tpm.msc, enter it, and here you will find if TPM is ready. So in the status you can see the TPM is ready for use. So here you can see if you are compatible, TPM cannot be found. If you see compatible TPM cannot be found, then TPM may be disabled in your BIOS or your system may not support it. So it's already told that 2.0 TPM and Secure Boot are required to play the Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4 beta Call of Duty. So you have to check whether TPM 2.0 is enabled on your PC or not. If you want to enable TPM 2.0 on your PC, so here are the suggestions. You have to select your PC and motherboard manufacturing websites first, and after that here you have to general process for enabling TPM 2.0 is access the BIOS and or UEFI settings, advanced restart or UEFI firmware settings. After that, accessing your BIOS can be accomplished. So in Windows you have to go to the start, then settings, then system, then recovery. Next to advanced startup, select restart now. Or if you are in Windows 10, go to start, settings, update and security, recovery. Under advanced startup, select restart now, and once your Windows 10 or 11 machine has restarted, go to the troubleshoot, see advanced options, UEFI firmware settings, and this type of settings will be available. And after that you have to go to the advanced security or trusted computing. For Intel systems, enable Intel PTT or security device support, and AMD systems enable AMD CPU FTPM. Exit and save changes generally using F10, and after that reboot your system. Confirm in Windows with Windows key plus R, then tpm.msc to check TPM 2.0 is active or not. So by this way you can fix the error that you are coming across in Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4 beta game. So that's all for in this video. Thank you.